Hold a silver coin in your hand. Feel that cold, unresponsive weight. You think you're holding wealth. You think you're holding a plan B. You are wrong. You are holding a component. To you, it's a hedge against inflation. To the Pentagon, it's a guidance system for a hypersonic cruise missile. To the AI clusters in Virginia, it's the only conductor efficient enough to keep the God mind from melting. The silence coming from the US Mint isn't an accident. It's a gag order. They didn't stop minting because of supply chain issues. They stopped because the hierarchy of needs has changed, and you are no longer at the top. January 1st, 2026, China just slammed the door. An 80% export ban on all raw silver. The world's biggest supplier just cut the jugular of the Western industrial machine. Suddenly, the Green Revolution isn't a policy. It's a death struggle. Within 24 hours of the ban, the US Treasury quietly reclassified silver as a strategic defense mineral. Not a precious metal, a war resource. The smell of ozone from the server farms is getting thicker. The grid of industrial dust is settling on your windows. The system is starving, and it's looking at your safe. The official story is a sedative for the sheep. They'll tell you silver is volatile. They'll tell you the US Mint is prioritizing industrial demand. Lies. They are nationalizing the supply through the back door. In 2026, your comfort is being traded for strategic stability. They need the metal for the grids they control, not the coins you hoard. The system isn't weak, it's being cannibalized for parts. But here's the part they never explain. The legal mechanism that turns your private property into a federal asset overnight. Your caveman brain loves shiny things because they represent rarity. But the system uses that dopamine to keep you distracted while they change the rules. The dirty secret? Dopamine management. They let you buy paper silver and ETFs to keep you feeling secure. But when the AI models needed a 400% increase in silver conductivity to keep the 2026 power grid from collapsing, the paper became worthless. The smart grid isn't just about electricity. It's about tracking resources. They know who bought the physical. They know who has the bars. And they're about to pull the leash. Wait, it gets more aggressive. The government doesn't need to steal it. They've already legalized it. Enter the 1934 Silver Purchase Act. Most of you forgot history. The system didn't. In 1934, FDR didn't just ask for silver, he nationalized it. He ordered every ounce to be delivered to the mint within 90 days. In 2026, the precedent is being dusted off. When the strategic mineral designation hits the Federal Register, your private silver becomes contraband of war. The survival spiral begins when you realize your security is actually a target on your back. Neighbors will turn into informants for a digital ration credit. The social contract doesn't bend here. It snaps. Denial finally cracks. When the local coin shops are shuttered by federal agents. When the smart lock on your digital vault won't open because of a national emergency. This is the survival spiral. Your silver is the only thing standing between the system's AI and total energy death. Who do you think they'll choose? Hint, it's not you. But there is a specific detail everyone misses. The gag order has a signature you can see right now. Watch the industrial premium. If the price of silver on the COMEX is $30, but you can't find a physical ounce for less than 100, that's not inflation. That's the gag order in effect. They are decoupling the price to keep you from selling, while they hoard the physical. Each day they keep the price suppressed is another day they are training you to accept poverty. They are teaching you that your metal is worthless, right before they take it to save themselves. You are the last line of defense. The system has reclassified the world. You are excess fat. Silver is strategic blood. Stop waiting for a return to normal. Normal was a lullaby. The cavalry is busy building silver-lined shielding for the server farms that will replace your job. You need to decouple. Now, if your wealth is in their system, it's their wealth. If your security depends on their strategic mineral, you are a hostage. They chose the silicon. They chose the missiles. You must choose the steel. The gag order is the last warning you'll get. Stay dark. Stay silent. Stay alive.